Hey guys, meal prep with me as we make this kale salad on this installment of Cooking Count with Kay, where I share recipes, some Jesus-inspired encouragement, and tips on how I lost 45 pounds by eating what I wanted. Okay guys, so for once, I'm actually going to talk about the recipe. Y'all, I was having a hankering for something light, fresh, easy, breezy, lemon peasy. And I just wanted a freaking salad. That's all I wanted. So for my meal prep, as you can see, I'm like making enough to last me 3 days. And y'all, this recipe was phenomenal. I saw on Instagram a girl made a slaw with some hummus, and I just decked it out with some red wine vinegar. Warning, this crap will cause heartburn after eating it for a couple days straight. But y'all, she made this little slaw, and I said, I love that idea. So I made a little slaw, and as you can see, it turned out slaw-y. And I did some roasted chickpeas and some fake bacon, because I'm a vegetarian, but I recommend, whatever little meat substitute or protein or whatever you want to do. And y'all, the banana peppers, phenomenal. It's like everything in this recipe pairs so well, and like little eggs. And this recipe was low calorie and high volume and tons of protein, and it was only 501 calories per serving. I ate it that whole week to the point where someone invited me out to lunch, and I was devastated because I couldn't eat that for my lunch. So if you like what you see, you want more recipes like this, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more. God bless.